Here are the four pullback stock that I think is worth to look into if you are still looking for an opportunity in the Bursa market. So yeah, of course, Bursa market has been in kind of like sideway to boring market for 2 weeks already. But I think that mostly they are actually building a very nice pullback setups, which I think is worth to monitor. Hopefully, right, 1 or 2 weeks from now, we will see another bull trend coming in the Bursa market. Now, the first one I have for you is JTIASA. Now, JTIASA actually have been in the uptrend for some times already. Now, this is back to previously doing some accumulation, right? Then it actually move up slowly. So this is the one that actually gaining a nice momentum here, right? One, two. So this is like a second pullback. Now, every time when they do pullback, I kind of like how they actually have this a nice sign of strength, okay, appearing right exactly at the 20 and 40-day moving average. So somewhere around here, we have it somewhere around here, somewhere around here. And yesterday, actually, it appeared, right, the sign of strength in the chart. So hopefully, again, not sure, right? Hopefully, it will try the resistance and break the resistance with this pullback with strength. Now, before I forgot, one thing that I think is very important, a quick disclaimer, this video here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. If you want to follow any trade in this video here, make sure you get your own trading plan, or probably you'll get advice from a professional. Definitely, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. Every time when I trade, I have a so-called trading plan with me. So what I mean is that I have my cut loss point, I have my risk that I wish I can tolerate. Okay, so make sure you have this as well. Okay, so that's first one for JTIASA. I think is nice setup, pullback with strength. So let's look into the next one. Now, this one actually are not my favorite. Okay, but I think it's interesting to look for some short term opportunity. Now, normally I don't like to trade something is downtrend, especially when the stock market gap down, because this representing that this stock actually having a big weaknesses in the trend overall. Okay, but the reason why I want to cover this because first of all, the gap is a big gap, okay, which means that this one still got some rooms to move. Okay, so if I know AWANTEC, all this will have some uh, fans, okay, or people following these counters over here. So if you are still following, I think yes, I think they are doing a nice kind of like a setup over here. They are crossing the 20 and 40-day moving average, doing a little bit of like a long period of pullbacks over here. And of course, this also remind me of like how they move in MYEG. It's very similar with MYEG. MYEG actually hit here, and then now it seems like sideways for few months already. Okay, so I don't know, probably um, for Awantec as well, I think it will kind of like hit here, maybe sideways and hit again sideways before they breaks up. Okay, so MIGs haven't break yet, so it's still like doing sideways in between of the gap down range. Okay, so probably you want to look into it. Okay, if you wish to look for some short-term opportunity. Okay, like I said, strength is coming back, crossing 240-day moving average. Something that I think that they will do a temporary short-term rebound. The rebound here is still healthy, right? Resistance near towards the gaps. Okay, so now next one, this is a bit quiet counters. Okay, I think currently not much people look into it yet. Okay, I'm not sure how long need to wait for this. Usually for accumulation stocks, yes, you need to wait. Okay, but one thing actually caught my attention is that the volume suddenly spike up. Okay, of course, once it spike up, I think this is back in September last month. Okay, so almost a month already. The price is still holding on the high one bar. So this telling me that potentially, again, I'm not sure, just guessing, okay, based on my own opinions, this is a buying volume. Okay, probably this is a buying volume. So followed by a nice support because of less sellers, and now they are doing another round of accumulation again. Because why? Whenever the price spike up, okay, again, notice that this is like a shooting star candles. Okay, sellers still there selling. Okay, but in the same time, I think someone is interested to make an immediate support. Okay, so if you are looking for some short-term opportunity, if you are looking for this range, okay, not sure how long it will range over here, but this is still giving me around 10 to 11%. Okay, hopefully it can break up soon. So if I check on my weekly chart, okay, this is a long period of accumulations already. So next one probably somewhere around here. Yeah, 330 cents, which is at the top here. Yeah, this is right exactly at the previous resistance as well when they break out, I believe. So if let's say break to here, okay, it give you around like 20%. Okay, so again, calculate your risk to reward. Is it okay for you or not? If let's say break somewhere around here, this will be my cut loss area. Okay, around 4%. Okay, it's trying to get around 20% of our reward. Okay, but like I say, this counter here overall, the volume is not that is still not too active yet. Okay, so probably going to wait for a while. Okay, because this is still like in a long period of accumulation, right? So now this is the one that I think also very popular. I think lots of people are still following IWCT. Yes, the trend is getting bigger definitely because this stock has been going up for I think 100%, right? From here to here for my first or second sound strength after they make a rounding bottom over here to the top is almost 150%. So whenever you got 150% movement, yes, you need to expect some sideway, okay, a deeper pullback, okay, especially when the candles is wider, volume is getting wider, you know that the trend need to, probably take a break, or maybe they are doing distribution. But of course, I don't see any major weaknesses yet in this chart. So I think that the the 40-day moving edge or somewhere around here will serve us as a good support to look into. Okay, but luckily this one also a big range. I think previously I trade around here, it still give me around like 12%. Okay, it's not a lot, but it's still a range that good to look into. So today, the reason I want to call back, I want to re-look into it back again because it rebound from the 40-day moving average. Of course, right now, by the time doing this video, it's still in the morning, 11 a.m. Hopefully, before the end of the day, we do see an increase in volume somewhere, like here. Okay, something like here, if you notice the increase in volume, okay, here of course the obvious one, then maybe they got the chance to retest very very close with the resistance again. So if let's say from here to here, the previous high note to the major resistance is still giving me around like 13% to look into. Okay, so while there's quick one for four counters, I think yep, they are doing some sort of pullback. Some is already in the main uptrend at the top, some is still at the bottom trying to make a reversal like AWANTEC. JTIASA, I think is very nice healthy movement overall, and of course BJLAND still in overall in accumulation, but volume is coming up. Okay, so well with this, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like my video over here, make sure you click the like buttons, help me to share this out, comment below what stock you want me to cover in the next video. Okay, I will review for you in the next video. Thank you.